Hey guys, what's up? I bought this pretty cool outlet on Amazon and I just wanted to unbox it, show you guys what it looks like. I've got a bunch of stuff behind me. I have like my Amazon thing and then like a light, and then my wife's got this candle thing, so we're running out of plugs on the countertop here. So this is pretty inexpensive. I'll put a link in the description of this video over to this outlet, so if you want to grab one, you can just hit the link in the description, shoot over to Amazon and grab one out of there. Let's unbox this. I'll show you what it looks like. This is kind of like a no-name name. So it's an additive. I think that's how you say it. I got this on Amazon. So let's take this out of here. And typically I'd have my tripod, but I lost my tripod, so I'm gonna buy a new one of those too. So here is what this looks like. So you can plug it in to one of the outlets in back of here, and then there's like USB ports and stuff like that to plug your phone into. There's it's surge protected, and then there's a bunch of outlets on it. So you're essentially going from like 2 outlets here to, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outlets on it. So you can plug all this stuff in and still have more room. Let's plug this in. Okay, so I plugged in my new outlet, and I have my Alexa thing plugged into the candle thing and the light thing, and I still have some more sockets to use if my wife decides to buy something else. And now we can charge our phones on the counter if we want to, and because it's another place to do that too. So if you guys have a question about it, leave a comment in the description of the video and I will answer them for you. And yeah, if you want to even just check in to see how this thing's doing, I'll let you know. Take care, guys.